Here's a problem in which we're raising a complex number in polar form to a power, and they want the answer in a plus bi form. So let's go to it. So how do we do polar numbers to powers? Well, that's in the notes. If you go to the notes that I gave you at the top of Module 5, the Chapter 10.3, 4, and 5 notes, and you go on down to number 10 down here, power of a complex numbers in polar form. Number 10. I've got it for us right somewhere. Right down here. Yeah, okay. And it's kind of scribbly here. So, yeah, let me get rid of all this. So basically, here it is. And what it's saying is that, when you do complex numbers, it in polar form to a power, like this to the nth power, you just power the number in the front, multiply the angle by n. So you power the number in the front to the nth power, and you multiply the angles. So convenient. So we come up here and we go, okay. So I just take this power and I power the number in the front, so 2 to the 5th, and then I multiply the angles. So 5 times 55 degrees plus I sine of also 5 times 55 degrees for the sine. And then if you use your calculator, 2 to the 5th power is 32. So it's going to be the cosine of 255. I think it's 275, isn't it? Yeah. Plus I sine of 275. Excellent. Okay, now we can't stop there, because they don't want polar form answer. They want their answer in the form a plus bi. So now what do? Well, now we, so what did we do first? We powered the number in the front, and we, multiply the angles by 5. Power and number in the front to the 5th, and multiply the angles by 5. And then, now, distribute the 32. Boom, boom, to change to a plus bi rectangular form, which is what they want in the end. They want rectangular form. So distribute that, and what do you get? 3 cosine 275 plus I, oh, why did I say 3? It's 32. Huh? Where's the 3 come from? 32 cosine 275 plus I times 32 sine of 275. Okay. Hit the buttons on the calculator. Make sure you're in degree mode. We're doing a lot of changing of modes these days. 32 times the cosine of 275. I'm getting 2.78898 plus I, and times 32 times sine of 275 is negative 31.878. How far do they want me to round again? Two places. So that'll be 2.79 minus 31.88 I. There we go. What did we do? We just took this complex number right here to the 5th power. And instead of having to write 5 of these and FOIL it all out, we're able just to 5th power the number in the front, multiply the angles by 5, and then just distribute and change it back to rectangular form.